Hello dear students, in this video I'm going to explain chapter 4 lesson 2 variability page 138. In this topic we're going to learn how to find the measure of variability. Our vocabulary is variability, quartile, interquartile range and box and whisker plot. We have three cases. The first one, finding measure of variability. The second one, how to making box and whisker plots. The third one, comparing dataset using box and whisker plots. Okay. The first case, they ask for what? Find the first and the third quartile for each data set. The first step, you have to order the data from least to greatest. Okay, as you can see here, we have 78, 85, 88, 88, 89, 90, 92, 88 repeated twice. So, as you can see here, what's the median? Median is 88. Then this part, it will be lower quartile. Find the median. 85 is the first quartile for this part. So for the other part, which is lower upper quartile, find again which one is the median. So it will be the third quartile. 90 is the median for this part. That's why 85 it will be first quartile, 88 is median, and 90 is the third quartile. Again, example B, order them all from least to greatest. Then this part, it will be lower quartile, the other one is upper quartile. As you can see here, we have two median. So two median for the first part, for the first quartile. So add them, then divided by 2, which is equals to 13. Then third quartile for upper half, we have 18 and 19. Again, add them, then divided by 2, which is equals to 80.5. Okay. As you can see here, if they ask for median, we have 15 and 16. Then add them, divided by 2. But when you find first quartile, you have to count 15 with the lower half and 16 with the upper half. Okay. Then how to draw box and whisker plots. For this case, you have to find 5 things. The first one, least value, LV, least value, then greatest value, then median, okay, first quartile, then third quartile, always. Question, yes, as you can see in this question, we have what? You have to order the data. Then the median is what? It's 38. For the lower half, you have to find first quartile. As you can see, we have double numbers, 22, 22, add them, then divided by 2, still 22. For the other side, for upper half, we have 15 and 51, add them, then divided by 2, which is equals to 15.5. Okay, least value is 15, greatest value is what? It is 63. Then draw a number line and plot a point above each value of from the set. Then draw a box. Okay. Now, an exam in national questions, if they ask for the least value, can I say 10? No. Pay attention. Here is the least value. 15 is the least value. Okay. What about greatest value? Greatest value is what? It's 63. Okay. So it is 60, 61, 62. This one it will be 63. If they ask for interquartile range, we will say interquartile range. Pay attention. We will say 50 minus, what's the first quartile? It's 22. So 15 minus 50.5 minus 20. Median is what? Median is 38. What about the least value? Least value is 50. If they ask for range, we will say 63 minus 50. Okay. Then comparing data set using box and whisker plots. As you can see here, median, of course, median of Peter is greater than the median of Dan Marino. Let's solve some example. Question 1. They ask for what? Find the first and the third quartile. You have to order them, of course. It will be 30. After 30 we have 52, then we have 55, then we have 56, then we have 66, then we have 70, other one is 75. Which one is median? 56 is median. What about first quartile? First quartile it's 52. Third quartile it's 70. Okay, question 2. Order them again. We have what? 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, again 3, 4, 4, then we have 5, 6, 6. Okay, find the median. It will be what? We have double 3 as median. Okay, so we will say 3 for median. We will say 3 plus 3 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. First quartile is what? As I told you, when you have two median for first quartile, you have to count the first median with the lower half. Now you have to count 3 with this part. As you can see here, we have 2 as median. So we will say to finding first quartile, 2 plus 2 divided by 2, which is equals to 4 divided by 2 is 2. For the other part, I will count the second 3 with the upper half. Here we have what? 4 plus 5 for third quartile. Okay, third quartile is what? 4 plus 5 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Question 3. They ask for how to draw box and whisker plots. Order them. 19, and then 23, then you have 29, then 32, then 33, 34, 42, 47, and you have 59. Okay, you have to find median, second one least value, third one greatest value, for okay first quartile, third quartile. Median is what? Okay, how many data you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 9. So for median it's 33. For least value it's 19. Greatest value it is 59. First quartile you have 23 and 29. So add them. 23 plus 29 divided by 2. Add them, then divided by 2 equals to 26. For the third quartile you have 42 plus 47. 42 plus 47 divided by 2 equals to what? 89 divided by 2. 89 divided by 2 equals to 44.5. Now you can draw a box and whisker. You can mention the only the numbers that you have. For median you have what? 33. Okay, for least value you have 19. For least value you have 19. For greatest value you have 59. 59 on the top. For first quartile you have 26. For third quartile you have 44.5. So there is 44.5. So for this one it's a box. Here is median and it's whisker. Okay, and same thing for question 9 and 10. You have to draw box and whisker plot. For question 3, as you can see, the median of x is less than the median of y. Okay. Question 27. Find the first quartile of 4 data sets shown in a box and whisker plot. Okay. What's the least value? It's 38. Greatest value, as you can see, between 52 and 54, what do you have? 53. So that's 53. Now, what's the first quartile? If they ask for first quartile, it's 44. Third quartile between 50 and 52, what I have 51. So this one it's equals to third quartile. What about median? Median is 48. They ask for what? First quartile. So first quartile equals to what? Equals to 44. Now we have, what's the error? Zana wrote that the data set is 32, 22, 28, 29, 56, 27, 43, 33, 25, 40, 65. Has a range of 32. What's the error? Range should be 14, not 32. Okay, he made a mistake. And then we have find the square root of each number. You know, it's positive negative 4. This one is positive negative 9. This one is positive negative 10. It's for chapter 1. This one is positive negative 1. Thank you for watching. This topic is one of the easiest topic in grade 9. Thank you for watching. Good luck.